How to check data usage on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check data usage on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here in this section, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as data usage. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll be able to see how much mobile data you have used during your current usage cycle. And to view more, you can just scroll down and you can see each specification of the data that the app has been using from your phone. And that's it. That's how you can check data usage on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.